Okay guys, so in this lab we are going to be discuss on the analyze on path attack. So what are the on path attack we have discussed? So first we are moving on the Windows 10 machine, MS Windows 10 machine, and log in here on this machine with the username is a Jammy, providing the correct password, and here oh so do you know guys how to check your MAC address of this computer? I think all of you know about the checking, how to check the MAC address of your system. So simply running the ipconfig command. Ipconfig command is not enough, so you will have to run with the /all switch. So the MAC address is this one. This is the MAC address for the Ethernet adapter of the MS10. Okay, and for the ARP table, you can run the ARP-A. It will display all the entry of the ARP. You can see this is the 254 and this is the MAC address of these devices. Okay, so its own MAC address is we can get by using this command, and the MAC address is 16602 in the last digit 01662. Okay, this is actually, remember this one because we will attack on this. So first we are going to be start the MAC man in the middle attack. So man in the middle attack we can perform from the Kali Linux machine. So on the Kali Linux machine I am going to log in this machine. Here it is, and I need to check the IP address of this machine. So on the Linux machine already you know how to check the IP address. Simple, by running the ifconfig command to check the IP address. Either you can run the IP8DDR show ETH0 for the particular interface. So this is the IP address is 10.1.16.9. This is the IP address of the Kali Linux machine. And the MAC address is 8010. Just remember this one, 8010. This is the MAC address of the Kali Linux machine. Okay, so for the performing man in the middle attack, you can use the EtherCap. This tool is very popular tool, and this tool are used for the this is very popular tool, and this tool are used for man in the middle attack. So this is open here, EtherCap, and here you need to just start by accepting this one. Just right click here, accept. When you will accept, you can see the sniffing has been started. Sniffing has been started, but there is no any type of the host we have attacked. There is no any type of the attack we have performed. So first we can check out how many hosts are connected in my network. So for checking the host, you can use the scan for host, this command. This is very simple. You just select from the menu and it will scan, and you can see there is a total 255 host has been scanned, where the 4 hosts are available. So where you will find these hosts, you can again click on this and go in a host. Inside the host you will find a host list option. When you click on the host list, then you will check out here. Check out here the IP address of 62. This is the actually IP address of my MS10 machine. If you remember this, the name here is on MS10. This is the IP address of the MS10. You can check out here the IP address is 116.2. Okay, so this is the IP address of my target window machine. Another is a 254. So 254, this one, this is actually the router IP address or default gateway IP address. So first I am going to add this on the target 1 and add this on the target. Okay, I have added on the both target 1 and the target 2. So right now when I have added, now I am going to start the man in the middle attack. Okay, so how can I perform the man in the middle attack? You can click on here in the MITM option. So you can see the ARP poisoning, NDP poisoning, port stealing, DSCP spoofing, SSL intercept. Lots of the options are there. So first I am going to start this ARP poisoning attack. Okay, and just click on the OK and the attack has been started. You can see the ARP poisoning attack has been started. Okay, and one more thing, what you will have to remember, you will have to remember this one, 801010. Okay, so now actually which type of the packet being sent by the Kali Linux machine, I want to check. So how can I check? All of you know why using the Wireshark. Wireshark is a only tool which can be used to capturing the packets which is going out from my Kali Linux machine. So I have selected here ETS 0 and click on the start. So when I click will start, because I have added two target. One target is a this one LAN, another target is window machine. So you can see we are sending the request ARP poisoning attack against this router, LAN router, and this one is a Windows MS-10 machine. Okay, so the attack is going on. So this attack how going to be impact on the Linux machine? So here on the MS-10 machine, and I will try to access the web service or try to access of the LAN here, the 10.1.16.254, and you will see this will be unavailable because the MAC is spoofing and some other type of the attack. If I will try to connect with the PuTTY or the SSH, means any service is unavailable. So if I will open here SSH and write here 10.1.16.254, because my traffic is not forwarded to the target machine, not forwarded to the LAN router. Okay, no problem. So previously you can see already you have, this is the ARP table, and again I am going to run the ARP table here, ARP-A option. So you can see there is a 66.1 for this, as well as 254 is a 8010 and also the 8010 entry. You can see there is a 2 entry having the same MAC address. So what does it mean? So I have done the ARP poisoning, means I have made the changes in a ARP table. Okay, so what I have done, I have replaced the MAC address of the router with the Kali Linux MAC address, because this is the MAC address of the Kali Linux machine. Okay, so both are the different MAC address. So this MAC address is associated, means we have done the ARP poisoning attack. So similar it will be sent on the target machine if any type of the happened. You know, this type of the ARP poisoning attack happened, or the MAC spoofing also told it. Now I am going on my Kali Linux machine, whether I will stop the MITM attack. So how can I do the stop this attack? Go on the ettercap and here is on this machine, here this option, globe, click on this and here stop the MITM attack. So man in the middle attack will be stopped. Now I am going to stop the sniffing as well. So when I click on this, the sniffing will be stopped. So sniffing has been stopped. Okay. So right now I will go again on my MS-10 machine where I will check the ERP poisoning is continue or not. So here on this machine, this is the LAN and now you can see the MAC address has been changed. This is the actual MAC address of the router, but previously this was the MAC address of the Kali Linux machine.